Check it out, y'all. Finally got my package today. You see that? It's a WEN drill press, right? Right. So I really needed this drill press, right? Because it's a lot of stuff that I gotta do, especially with brackets and different things like that, working with metal and drilling perfect holes in it. Because at first I was just using just a drill gun, and it's moving around and stuff like that. It's not getting the holes straight like I needed. So that's why I got this WEN drill press. It was real cheap on Amazon, like $150 with tax and everything, right? So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna put it together to see what it do, right? So we're gonna unbox it right now and I'll be right back at y'all, all right? So we got them open. It's the instruction right here. How to put it together. Came in a lot of pieces, man. That's crazy. I'm gonna be here all day trying to put this together. All right. So we're just gonna unbox it, take everything out. It comes with its own tools, it look like. Well, it's an alley key in here. Alley key, some more screws. Just the stand. There's not that many parts. It's cool. And here go the drill itself. So that's everything that was in the box. It's not too many pieces. So let's take all this plastic off and let's check everything out. Only a few screws, so it's gonna be heckin' simple to put together. That's super cool. And this is the stand. All right. So we'll put it together on the floor because my workbench is back there. So I'm gonna put everything together right here because it's kind of heavy. I can't put it together on this little table. Yeah, it's not stable enough. So let's do it. So all wheeled up. Should have some gloves. No, we're gonna get some Loctite to put on these bolts. Got some Loctite. You see that? We'll put on the bolts. For the vibration won't make the bolts come out. Put just a little bit on there. There's one bolt. So I've done construction for over 20 years. I started when I was like 18 years old in construction. And then I was able to retire young. So now that's why I'm able to do a lot of different projects and stuff like that, because I'm retired. And that's the best thing to do, is to start young. Start your career like real young, and you're able to retire young. And you also get a pension. Like in 10 years in construction, I think it's called being vetted or vested or something like that. And that's when your pension starts. So you do construction for 10 years, your pension starts. And then after that, it keeps going up every 5 years. So if you do 20 to 25 years, you get your 20 years, you get close to your max. 25 years, that's the time of retirement, working in construction, and then you get your max. And then you have to have the age too. So you gotta be over, I think 50 something. I think it's like 50 or 60, you gotta be to have the age to be able to receive your pension. You only need to be vested to get your pension. And then once you become vested, if you meet the age too, you get your whole pension, you know? That's when you start getting paid out. So I just gotta wait for my age. Once I get to the age, then I start getting paid out. But the best thing for you to do, don't look for these jobs that you do for like something that you will do for the rest of your life. Use it for like a stepping stone. Use your job or whatever, or your skill, your career, you know what I'm saying? Use that for a stepping stone to start your own business, or to get you enough money to do what you love to do. You feel me? Just don't like, just don't let your job or whatever be that's it and that's all. Yep, that's how you gotta do it. And that's how you can survive in this world. Let me get a wrench. Yeah, because if you don't let your career just be your stepping stone to do what you love, you know, unless you love doing construction, but it's very hard work. I didn't love doing it. It was real hard work. You know what I'm saying? It break you down. So I didn't love doing it. But if you love doing construction, that's you. But I always said to use your career for your stepping stone, for you could do what you always wanted to do what you love, what you had a passion for. Or use it, or just use it as a stepping stone so you could be wealthy, so you can invest in different businesses and still have your job too, but you also have a business going too. And once you get that business off the ground, then you can retire. You know what I'm saying? That's what I did. Yeah. So now I'm able to retire. And I'm also an Olympic boxing coach. You know what I'm saying? I have a daughter, you know, that's going to the Olympics. She a two-time, I think she a three-time junior Olympic gold medalist. And my youngest daughter, she a one-time junior Olympic gold medalist. And you know what I'm saying? That's what I do. I coach my kids. You know what I'm saying? We travel all over the United States of America. We go to different states and we compete, and we just get to see how it is in different states. Yeah, I mean, it's all right. It's fun to do. It's fun to travel. You know what I'm saying? When you retire like that, you're able to spend a lot of time with your kids and your family. We got it on the stand, and we put this bracket on there. So now we're gonna put the whole drill on here. We just slide it in the hole. Let me check it. See if something in it. Oh shit. I was about to put it in the wrong hole. So here go the hole right here. And the hole has a nut up in there. So we're just gonna slide it up on here. Just like that. Bam, there it goes. So we're gonna tighten it down. That. So now we're gonna screw these handles in here on the side. No, I'm gonna put some Loctite on it so the vibration won't shake it loose. This is the last piece to put on there where the bit go. So we'll slide it up here. And they said just use a hammer. So I'm gonna use a hammer, probably with a towel. I don't have a piece of wood nowhere. Let's try. should be it. And if you can see right in here, this is the gear. And the gear have 5 different speeds, so you just switch this right here onto the different grooves of the gear. And that's it.